Hello! We're on our way to go to Mall of America. There's Ava. Jordy's here too. How long is it going to take us to get there?
2.5 hours.
Two and a half.
Yeah.
2.5 hours?
2 minutes.
And it's
2 hours and 24 minutes.
Oh, I didn't. Where am I don't know what time it is right now. Jordy, do you know what time it is right now?
We should be there at 12:02.
It's 9:43 and it takes 2 hours and something minutes? What did you say?
2 hours, 25 minutes. We should be there at 12:08 if we don't stop. But we're going to stop.
Yeah. Jordy, are you excited?
Yeah.
Ava?
Yeah.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Mom, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay.
I don't know if excited is the word, but I'm happy that everyone's excited.
Okay.
I am on board with your happiness.
Okay.
I'm not excited because I'm not even caffeinated.
You're not excited because you're not caffeinated yet.
Yeah.
That's the only reason?
It's 9:44 in the morning. I don't do mornings. I get excited in the afternoons.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna go get Boca now.
Today.
Oh my
What
gosh.
is wrong with people?
Guys,
They be crazy.
people are such
Hey, look.
idiotic drivers.
Now
Oh
Oh my gosh, there was this one idiot that basically cut us off when my mom had her blinker off the first time, the first time, and he was like just zooming and like didn't let her in, and then he like came to basically almost a stop. I was in my proper lane, he was in his proper lane, and then he decided he was gonna come over. I'm finishing my story. And then all of a sudden, when we were moving, he was like, "Oh, I'm gonna switch lanes right now."
like, are you trying to kill us today or something? What's going on? People in the cities are not good drivers. That's what we have learned today. But other than that, we are now at the Mall of
guy
America.
Yeah.
Bye.
I'm smart.
Hello. Ava is trying out some markers. Right now, we are in the Rainforest Cafe. What did you get, Mom?
Something delicious.
You don't remember, do you?
Carnitas tacos and a hibiscus mule.
Yeah. What did I get? Oh, I got the shrimpkins off the kids menu. And French fries. Right.
Adventurous.
Yeah. Jordy, what did you get?
A rainforest burger.
And your burger was done how?
Well done. Right.
Me and Jordy have not been doing so hot for shopping wise. We got one shirt out of 3 stores we've gone to. We went to Forever 21, American Eagle, and Tilly's, and we got one shirt at Tilly's. Guys, save the turtles with no straws. Right, Mom?
Save the turtles.
Anyway. What? What's happening?
Ooh, there's a storm.
We're in the Rainforest Cafe.
Marina doesn't like going here.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it? That was fun while it lasted.
The monkey is chilling again. He was going insane. Our food just came out. I got the shrimp thing with chicken nuggets. Here's Madre's food. Is it good? Jordy, how's yours? Good. Ava?
I'm too good for work.
Hello guys, we are back in the car now after shopping. Mom, where are we going?
Great Wolf Lodge.
We're gonna go swimming. Yeah, I guess we're going this way. Ooh, it's nice and sunny outside now. Ooh. Oh, that's really bright though.
Oh, the lane is closed.
Did you see what you just did?
This is not my first rodeo.
I know it's not. I'm so excited to go swimming.
Me too.
Everyone else, are you guys excited to swim?
I got ears. They give you ears.
Oh yeah.
Here you go, everybody. Put your ears on for the vlog.
Okay. Hope this doesn't fall when we move.
I wouldn't really recommend that. I'm gonna also swim.
Jordy? was your favorite part? We went down every slide.
Except for one.
A baby slide. Hi guys, I spent $45 on tickets just to play arcade games. Jordy spent, how many?
40.
She spent 40. We played this game a lot, and I did really bad. And we played this water one, and I won at that one. And we did this one where you like shoot zombies and stuff. And then we did the Jurassic World one. That was fun. And then I did this one. And I got up on this and I jumped on it, even though it only got me 30 because it was like, it goes up but then it goes back down. Okay, we're gonna go find something to do now. There's like a whole thingy. How do you get up there? We ordered pizza for dinner and it didn't come till like 11. What time is it right now? Good morning, guys. We are now exiting the Great Wolf Lodge to head home. That's all, really? We didn't go on any water slides. I don't know what else. We cashed in our like thingamabobbers and I got a teddy bear. Jordy, what'd you get?
Candy.
Yeah, Jordy got a load of candy. I don't really know what else. This angle is wonderful. Ava, what'd you get from the thing?
What?
From the, where are you? From the,
Candy and balloons.
oh, how wonderful.
My favorite.
Mom, did you have fun?
I did have fun.
What was your favorite part?
It was a great trip.
What was your favorite part?
I don't have a favorite part.
You don't, that's
It was all
bull
just
crap.
good.
Okay.
All
She's a
right.
liar. Hello. We're in IKEA now. Ew, don't touch me.
Don't be showing us your booby bras.
Hi guys. We're in the McDonald's parking lot.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't trust you. That's not fair. Ow! That would hurt. What are you most excited about for mini golfing?
Winning.
You're not gonna win. Three! I got two!
Shut up.
Yeah! You got it! Good job, dude.